Hello and welcome to WRO India Season 2021. I'm Sonakshi from India STEM Foundation. So I believe all of you by now have gone through the senior high category rules and also seen the general video in which I have explained how the teams will create their video for submission. So this video is basically prepared to show the randomization for our senior category. For the randomization for senior category, what teams require is again the non-transparent box, right? So one more thing, every time the randomized elements will be placed, they will be placed with the reference to the start area. Let's say this is the start area. So the so the positions of energy identifiers for the home area will be home area 1, home area 2 and last one is home area 3. Okay, so now let's see what all elements, game elements have their fixed positions on the mats. So the fixed positions of the game elements are the A sun unit, the solar cell has its fixed position. Water unit A water units have its fixed position, and over here the A wind unit has its fixed positions. And one more thing, the storage area, the battery storage area is also having its fixed position. So let's see what all the elements are there which are to be randomized. So for randomization, you need 6 energy identifiers. These are the 6 energy identifiers. 2 energy identifiers, yellow identifiers, 2 green energy identifiers, and 2 blue energy identifiers. Okay. And apart from this, teams will prepare 4 extra sun units, 4 extra wind units, and 4 extra water units and 4 extra wind units. Green are the wind units. Okay. So here the randomization is supposed to be done for basically two things. One is for the weather conditions and the another randomization could be for fixing the position of the energy identifiers. Okay, so let's see first of all the position for let's see first of all the weather condition for the senior category for our map. For that I am taking a non-transparent box. And I am putting all of my 6 energy identifiers in this non-transparent box. Like you can see, I have 2 green energy identifier, that is the wind, 2 blue water energy identifier, and this represents, yellow represents the sun. I will shake it. You need to shake it, and you have to draw one out. One energy identifier you need to draw out, and it is of blue color. So the energy identifier, so the weather condition is of blue color, water, right? So for in this, I told you that you need to prepare 4 extra water units, right? So the weather condition is over here, water. So what we will do, we have taken up 4 extra water units and we will place them in this water area, the B unit water area. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now this is out of the game field and all the other elements, they all will be out of the gave tail. Okay. So now I'm left with only my 5 energy identifiers. So first we did the randomization for the weather conditions, and according to the weather condition we have 4 extra water units placed over here, right? So and now I have only 5 energy identifiers. So we need to fix the energy identifiers on the positions in the home area. So I told you with reference to the start area, this first is the first one is the home area 1, home area 2, and the last one is home area 3, right? So in that case, in front of every home area we have 2 positions fixed, 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. So let's see, our energy identifiers will be placed in these small red squares. So I'm putting all my 5 energy identifiers in this. Let's see for home number 1, first position. It's green, and put it over here. Again, it's again green. Let's do for home area, home 2. This is our home 2. It's yellow. And I'm left with only one, that is yellow, which will be placed on the home area 3. So here guys, we are done with the randomization for our senior category. Thank you and all the best.